There's a fifth model hiding in Claude Code's model picker above Opus. It's called Fable 5, and by Anthropic's own docs, it's, quote, the most capable model in Claude Code, sustains long autonomous sessions, investigates before acting, and verifies its work more often than smaller models, end quote. It's not the default. You have to type /model Fable to even see it. 3 days after Fable 5 launched, June 12th, the US government applied export controls to it. Anthropic's own words, quote, we had no reliable way to verify nationality in real time, so we suspended access to both models for all users, end quote. The trigger was a security bypass. Amazon researchers found a way to prompt Fable 5 into identifying real software vulnerabilities. Export controls lifted June 30th. Access came back July 1st, 19 days after it was pulled. Before redeploying, Anthropic shipped a new safety classifier that blocks that specific bypass technique in, quote, over 99% of cases, end quote. Requests that still trip it now get rerouted automatically to Opus 4.8 instead. Here's the part that actually affects you inside Claude Code. Fable 5 and Opus 5 both run safety classifiers for cybersecurity and biology content. Flag a request on Fable 5, and Claude Code silently reruns it on a different model. Opus 5 for biology, Opus 4.8 for cybersecurity, with nothing but a note in the transcript. And Anthropic's docs say this triggers, quote, frequently, often on the first request, end quote. For penetration testing, capture the flag exercises and biology-adjacent code. Get flagged twice on biology work, and the second time isn't a model swap. It's just a refusal, because Opus 5 has no fallback of its own. A few more things worth knowing. You cannot turn off thinking on Fable 5. Not the settings toggle, not the environment variable, nothing. There's also a sibling model, Mythos 5, that shares Fable 5's exact specs and price, but skips the safety classifiers entirely. Invite only, through something Anthropic calls Project Glasswing, built for cybersecurity teams. And that price, $10 in, $50 out per million tokens, is double what Opus 5 costs. So, the most capable model Claude Code has ever shipped, not the default, got banned by its own government for 19 days, and still, today, quietly hands your session to a different model without asking, if you're doing exactly the kind of work Fable 5 is supposedly best at.